What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV Hotels coming to you from Méridien Shenzhen, China. This is Bao'an. That's the name of the area we're in. And here we have a nice 5-star hotel, reasonably priced, around 145 US per night. So this is the lobby level. Hello, how are you? We got a little cafe down here. No, this isn't the lobby, I'm sorry. This is the concierge level. Okay, there you go. Now let's go into the elevator, and that was just a quick walk through the cafe there. Oh, R2D2. Going up to 6 with R2D2 here. Okay, oh, I don't want R2D2 to, there we go. All right, so this is the official lobby. Actually, right below this, on level 5, because this is level 6, is the gym and fitness center, which I need to check out. But yeah, this is the lobby. I wanted to show you one thing, not just R2D2 again, but I wanted to show you one area of the lawn, and then the breakfast. This is the lounge outdoors. Coffee outside. It's a decent weather today. I mean, here it is, April. People were saying it's hot and muggy, but I don't think this is too bad. I want to say it's around like 25 Celsius. Here's a look at the kitchen for the breakfast. Show you a quick zoom in on all that. Here is the sports level. Gym? Thank you. Alright, look how big this gym is. Huge gym. Everything you could possibly need. Wow. Very nice. What else we got in here? And here's a look at the room now. I am checking out. I've already stayed here. I've tried to put the room back kind of where it was. There was like 4 waters here. Here's the desk. Don't mind the mess that I've made, but that's me putting the bed back together. I mean, it's a decent job I did, but the room was obviously in immaculate condition. There's a couple robes. Put your suitcase there. There was no gidunk. There was no commissary or no mini bar, as you call it. There's a tub, toilet. I've already used all this stuff, so don't mind the mess. But yeah, another water there. Anyway, this is the room. Sorry about the mess, guys. You guys get the idea. It's a beautiful hotel. All right, guys, so I ended up staying at the Le Meridien here in Bao'an. That was one night. I arrived from Suzhou, which is essentially the Shanghai train to Shenzhen, which onward goes to Kowloon. I'm now in Hong Kong, but I've got about 4 videos that I'm gonna post from Shenzhen while I was there. Obviously, because of the internet firewall, it's harder to post there. So now that I'm in Hong Kong, I have more internet connectivity. Maybe I'll do some reviews from Hong Kong. You guys let me know if you guys want some. I'm at a really nice hotel right now for a good price. I mean, Hong Kong prices are about 2 to 3 times the price of Shenzhen anyway, but you know, it is what it is. But either way, this was a good hotel, nice area, a little bit more laid back and relaxed, a little bit more localized feeling, I would say, in this Bao'an area. I ended up moving ultimately over towards the Happy Harbor area to the JW Marriott after this. The things that I liked about this, they had a beautiful gym, comfortable room, great breakfast, good quality, good pricing. Everything was pretty much what you would want. The only thing that I like that they didn't have, I didn't see a sauna or a steam room. I just like those. Those are nice. In Hong Kong, you won't even really find that. So, I mean, it's like just something that I found in China quite frequently and really enjoyed. But they didn't have one of those there. If that's not a big deal, then don't even worry about that. Other than that, I can only say positive things about this hotel. Again, the area is convenient, but it's not like in the middle of anything. This Bao'an is just one area of Shenzhen that you can stay. I mean, there's, you know, there's Nanshan, there's Futian, there's the area around SeaWorld. I also went over there. I mean, I went all around Shenzhen, but it's such a big city. It's got 20 million people. I'm still trying to find my sweet spot where I really like. That's why I was kind of trying out this Bao'an area. The benefit of being over here, it's nearby the airport. Whereas Futian's nearby the central train station and all that, and it's the central part of the city. Nanshan's like the up-and-coming area. SeaWorld's kind of like the outskirts of the up-and-coming, but I mean, there's high-rises everywhere around Shenzhen. It's just a really spectacular city. But yeah, do recommend the Le Méridien for any of those of you who want to stay near the airport and have a really nice hotel with good pricing, good breakfast, all that. Now, as far as my travel plans go, like I said, I went around to Shenzhen a bit. I'm in Hong Kong now. I'm kind of debating whether or not I want to go back to China, because I really didn't want to leave China. I spent about 30 days in the mainland. Or do I go towards Japan, you know, do the whole Japan route for a little bit? The problem is with the hotels is you're not going to get very many high-end hotels from me over there because it's so expensive. I mean, for the same price you pay $200 a night in China, you get a 5-star hotel. In Japan, $200 a night gets you like a hotel that, you know, is very small. Same within Hong Kong. I mean, it's like there's just this economic disparity that's very interesting, how some things are so cheap, but it's a lot of it just comes down to economics and how the country handles their economic system. But yeah, I mean, things in mainland are a lot more affordable than Hong Kong or Japan or other parts of Asia. And that's probably how they're able to produce and sell things to the world. But if their economy keeps going up, you know, they might not be an affordable manufacturer. But then again, inflation is hitting everywhere, including Vietnam, Thailand. It's just everywhere. But in order to be a manufacturer, you have to have, you know, that price parity or that price difference in economic value. So anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one from Shenzhen. I'll put a link to the JW Marriott right here, as well as the Hilton.